Hey guys, before I get started, I have a special offer. It's a freebie. At the end, I'm going to tell you, okay? So, get ready. Hello, and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. So today I'm going to talk about when we're practicing and we're making a mistake and we keep practicing and going over and oh my gosh, we're practicing and we're making the same mistake over and over again. Can you relate? I've done it. So what I wanted to say is, number one, you're practicing the mistake. Your muscles are learning the mistake. So we don't want to do that. I have 3 different things to do, okay? So I wrote them down. I made my notes for me because I got a teleprompter. But I still have to practice, okay? So I need some notes because I'm writing a lot more dialogue now, and I don't want to have to keep editing these videos. Oh my gosh. So let's dive in. And before I dive in, I just want to tell you that I'm Marquita Waters, and I solve singers' singing problems. I really do. Okay, so let's get started. We have 3 different things, okay? Now, one is to isolate, the second one is to fix it, and then the third one is to sing, okay? So, I'm going to make sure I don't make any mistakes. So, we keep going over the song and singing it through with the song, the wrong words, the wrong note, the wrong part. Number 1 is to isolate. What you have to do is, you're going through the song and you recognize, I did it again. Or you say, I keep missing that note. Why do I keep making that mistake? Or, I'm singing the wrong part again. So these are all things, as we're singing this song, that keep going through our heads, but then we go back and sing the whole song again, and there it is, it's the mistake again. So, isolate it. You have to take it out of context now. You know where you make the mistake. Okay, so now, number 2, it's going to be fix it. How are you going to fix it other than going over and over it again and practicing the mistake? Okay. First, we're going to take the note. Okay, now if it's a note, and I'm going to make sure I don't leave anything out. Take it out of context. So in other words, don't sing the song. Okay? You're going to number 2. I have 6 points here. Sing the song in your head, a cappella. If you do that, you can take it any tempo, but you're going to take the song and you're going to be singing it in your head first. Slow it down. That's my number 3. When you come to a note, okay, and because you're singing it a cappella, you can slow it down. You don't have to have it with that tempo, and then it speeds you through, and there you go again, the glitch. So you take it a cappella, you slow it down, and maybe what you can do is you stop right there. You could have the note played. Maybe you can play it on the piano or guitar. If you can't play an instrument, maybe you have somebody who could record the note for you. Or you take the artist and right at that point, you record it. Okay, right there at that note. And you record that. Okay, you slowed it down. You come to that point. You're ready to make the mistake because you're now not singing the song. You play the recording, or you hit it on the piano or guitar, and now you've got the note, you sing the right note. Now the muscles are gone, yeah, there's the right note. Okay, now number 4, hear it in your head and sing it if you already know it. Sometimes you know the note, it's just in context and singing the song through, and you've already been doing a whole bunch of stuff and you're singing a whole bunch of notes, and all of a sudden you're trying to remember that note. You can't grab it from your computer, from the file. So now if you know it in your head, you come through, you're slowed down, hear it in your head. See if you can come through with that note. a lot of times you can because you already really know it. It's just when you're going so fast and there's so much else going on that you can't retrieve it from your computer. Okay. So now sing it out loud, doing the same thing. So sing it out loud now. But again, you're not singing it real fast and in context. You're going slowly. All right? You're going slowly. And I didn't mention a cappella because I'm thinking you guys know this, but maybe you don't. A cappella is singing without anything else but you. That's what friends are for. Oh, I believe I can fly. So now you don't have any music going on. So now you're going to sing it out loud. You come to that point and you're able to sing that note. You've already done it in your head. Maybe you can't, okay? Do it slower at the point where the note comes in so your mind and ear can adjust. Do it slow because your tendency will be to do it a tempo, meaning the tempo that it's recorded at, that you're used to hearing it at. Again, take it slow, okay? All right. Now, if it's a word, okay, again, you have to take it slow. So again, don't be singing it and go through the song and, I forgot the word again. Don't get back to that. You stop, you do it a cappella, you slow it down, same thing. So you go over the song in your head, and as you come to a possible mistake, you hesitate and give yourself enough time to retrieve the right word. And sometimes it just takes that slowing down and that thinking. You go, that's right, I got it. You, or the tree, or the whatever it is. Okay, love. Okay. Now you're going to sing it out loud and do the same thing. It's that slowing down and allowing that mind and your ear or your mind getting from the computer and, okay, now I can get that. Yes, I force myself to train my mind to have the right word, not the mistake. And there is the man with the blower, the gardener. Why does he come in the middle of us recording? Really? Okay. When it's a phrase, I choose a word at the beginning that cues me into the phrase I should be singing. So I mentally go over the phrase as number 1 or number 2. And I gotta tell you, a long time ago, I had a problem with that song. That's what friends are for. Every time it came to a verse, I would do the second one first. And the first one, okay, it just messed me up in the song. So I wasn't busy performing, I was busy thinking, oh shoot, I did it wrong. Now what do I do on the second one? You know how you have to decide, okay, now what do I sing? And you know, I would figure out what to do, but it just bugged me that I'd always do it. But I kept doing it. I kept doing the mistake. I finally stopped and I did this. I did exactly what I'm telling you to do. I stopped and I had my hand to cue me, and I think I put this in another video also. I had my hand to cue me. Yes, it's body and mind and word. So I did that, plus I had a word. The first one was whatever this was here, if. And that's what it was. If was the cue. And then T. This was for a T, hello, you know. So with my hand, I just go like this, and I had the word if because it was a cue for me. So sometimes the body can give it to you. So that video, I believe I have the name Habits to Be Careful of. So I think it's that video there, and I will, in the description, give you the link, all right? But you also can have words that cue you. So I will also, in my mind's eye, again, I'll go back to my mind, and I'll have the loss, or I'll have A. The first verse is A. The second verse is the, in order to cue me. And I go over it and I see it actually. I see the word in my mind the word that is causing me a problem in the beginning of the phrase, or the words that's causing me a problem also, I can start seeing that in my mind's eye. But I actually see it, and I absorb that in my mind before I go and sing. I go through the song in my head, I sing it in my head, and there's the phrase, all right? I go to it, I see it before I even try to sing. And that comes to the next part, whereas now you're going to sing the song. See where you're at. Now, yes, you might glitch again, but you're not going to take as long to undo that and stop practicing the problem. That's exactly it. You don't want to do this. You want to make it easier on yourself. Pretty soon, your mind and your body is going to come through, and you're going to know it so well because you've stopped at that problem area in the song, and now it's ingrained in you. It's ingrained in your mind. You've got a hand motion. So everything is now working for you. So that when you go to perform and you've got so many things to think about, you want to go here with the audience. You have to look at the audience. Oh my gosh, there's a producer in the audience. Oh, the sound, I can't hear it. The mic is too low. Oh my gosh, and oh, I got to get over this and that. You can't be concentrating on a problem in the song. You've got to know that song so good that it's not going to problem you in the middle of performing it or recording it. Yeah, you might have a sheet in front of you if you were recording, but you know what? If you have everything inside, your expression is going to come out. People are going to feel it from you. And when you're live, they're definitely going to feel it from you. So make it easier on yourself. Don't practice the mistake. Make it so that it's in you. You've got all those little aids, okay? Let me see if I have anything else. Oh my gosh, I do. I have to tell you now. What I'm going to do, okay, is tell you to go through the other videos. They are free. You're going to learn an awful lot. And very soon, also with my teleprompter, I'm going to be doing other videos. I'm going to learn it. Yeah, I am. But I'm going to be doing exercises, full exercises with you. One, I'm going to do it each day, Monday through Friday. It's going to be posted, and I'm going to go through them with you, okay? So I'm so excited about this because it's something I just thought about, and I thought, this is going to be it. I can teach you one-on-one every day. One exercise, okay? Subscribe and ring a ding, ring that bell, honey, okay? Okay, if you want a freebie from me, if you're a beginner, I have a freebie for you. So you can go to marquitawaters@gmail.com, marquitawaters.com, and go to the contact, give me your email so I can send you a freebie. Blah. But also, I have one if you're just beginning and you want to be a pro, learning how to be a pro. Those beginning steps. Again, go to marquitawaters@gmail.com. Talk to me, tell me which one you want, or go to marquitawaters.com, and just in the where you go to contact, leave it there. Mention freebie and mention which one you want, and I'll shoot it out to you. Okay? Hey, you guys. Have a great day. Have a great singing day. Sing your butts off. Woohoo! 'Cause it's, here I go again. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bye.